What's up, guys? Michigan Air Gunner, and we are out here today with the Seneca Recluse 357. And this is going to be a two-part video, and I'll explain that in the end. But what we're going to do right now, because this gun has been out forever, I'm going to show you what some Hades will do. I'm going to show you what some FX hybrids will do, and then we're going to see what two slugs that I make do. I'm more concerned to seeing or showing you the power output of this gun right now versus to what it could be. The Recluse comes with a 500cc tank. There's two tanks put together. It makes this kind of look like an over-under shotgun, and it's an awesome gun. I know a lot of people have seen me. I posted the porcupine thing, and a lot of people were like, I didn't know you had that. Well, I had this gun probably 2 years ago or so, and then I sold this gun to a buddy at work because I needed to get some parts in my truck, and then I finally just got this gun back because I really like the gun, and it just sucks when you gotta sell something to do something else. But right now, we're going to load up with some Hades. I have a target set up down there. I'm hoping the FX chronograph works in this cold weather, and I can show you guys a 3-shot string on low power, then a 3-shot string on high power, and we're going to do that for each slug, which means my little GX compressor is going to get a nice little run. Also, a sweet thing about this gun is it only fills to 3,000 psi. And it is tested, proven. It's been out, I think it's been out like 10 years plus, and they're still putting them out there. So enough talking, let's get shooting. I don't have the scope cam on, but I have a camera down there. This scope just it does not like the scope mount Tacticam. So these Hades are 77.16 grain. I got my phone, and hopefully this really works because it's cold and I don't feel like doing a bunch of double takes. So let's see how she does. Turn my phone all the way up. And go for that top quarter. 768, and we're doing just low power right now. This gun has two settings, low and high. $777. It comes back down. It's a little windy, so my paper target's blown. I just decided to use this shotgun target we used last week. It's because we should be able to tell a slug hole from a BB hole, I think. Alright, fuck it, we're going. 791. So we're actually just going up. So there's probably just a little bit of valve lock with that low pressure. I'll do one more just for fun. This gun really does like these Hades pellets, and we are at 50 yards. All right. 805. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going up, I think. And I don't want to waste my air when I have a bunch more to show you. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna refill, we're gonna do the same thing on high power. Alright, so now, in case you're wondering, those 4 shots took us from 3,000 to just above 2,000. So now we're gonna put it at high power. We're back up to 3,000 PSI. We're gonna see what she can do. I guess again we'll do 4 shots just to show you the difference. I really do like this gun. We are no suppressor. We're just having fun with it. No one around to give a crap. So we are gonna go for the one right under the one we just shot. .856, 125 foot-pounds. Really wish that target would quit blowing. Somebody was smart to put a weight on it. .847, still 125 foot-pounds. Oh, 122 foot-pounds. My bad. Can't be right all the time. .840. That's 120 foot-pounds. We'll do one more. .830. That's 118 foot-pounds. Just enough to get a squirrel down for around here. They're big. But now we're going to set up for the FX hybrids. I have not shot those, so I don't know what they're going to do. Just like I haven't shot the other 2 slugs. I had this gun set up for the Hades on low power. Well guys, this kind of sucks. I'm thinking my little GX compressor just failed me. I was filling the gun back up, and then she started making a little bit of a weird noise, like more of a chugging noise, and I started losing air in my gun. So, I mean, so I guess for now I can only show you those pellets until I get home and fill up tanks and do everything again. This kind of sucks ass, but I guess we'll figure it out. What's up guys? So we're back out here. This is the next day. My XP compressor, something blew on it. I'm pretty sure it can be fixed, but I'm not doing it right now. So we're back out. We have the FX hybrids. We're going to see how those do. It is a little bit more windier today, but there's not much we can do about that. So we're set up 3,000 PSI. We got the chrono. And again, I have not tried these, so I don't know. I'm going to go for low power and then high power. I apologize for the sound you hear behind me because I got my Jeep running and it's cold. I need a spot to stay warm. Let's see what happens. We're going to go for top center. 863. We're about 4 inches high. $856. We're off to the side. I don't think it likes that. Whoop, I dropped one. Just trying to push that other one in there just a little bit more. So one thing I don't like about this gun is it's hard to get a slug to sit in there. $858. $868. So that's 4 shots. We got a low of 112 foot-pounds and a high of 113 foot-pounds. So we're just going to keep moving. Like I said, it's cold. I want to get this done. Alright. Fill back up to 3,000. We're going to see how these things do on high power. Gotta save that. New shot string. Alright. I thought these would do a lot better than they are. Maybe they'll do better on high power. Let's see. We're going to go for the one next to it on the top. 919. We're still off. These do sit a little loose in here. $907. At high power, we do get a consistent drop though. $900 feet per second. One more. $886. So I'm definitely just going to say this gun does not like the hybrids. I'm going to refill. We're going to move to our next slug, and once we get done shooting everything, we'll go down and check it out. Alright guys, so now we're filled back up. We're going to switch to 105 grain slug. This is one I cast at home, and I have yet to shoot these out of here. I'm hoping they shoot pretty good. That's why we do this, trial and error. We're going to go low power and just underneath the target we just shot. $622. Off to the side. You can definitely tell the sound difference. Low power, high power. The wind would stop moving my target. 624. mile-an-hour winds my ass. Ooh, that's even lower. 626. One more. My hands are cold. Yeah, I did not like those at that speed at all. So, refill, do it again at high power. That last shot was 612. None of these reached 100 foot-pounds, which ain't surprising for how heavy it is and how low we're shooting. But let's try it again, see what happens. Alright, let's try this again. High power, 3000 psi. $775. Yeah, we're hitting way off to the side. We're not even hitting the target on that one. But I'm not going to compensate. This ain't really about the accuracy of the slugs. This is about the power of these slugs. $779. I should have waited to cock that. But it's cold, I'm in a hurry. Shot 3. So I'm going to compensate for this one just to see what happens. We hit the target. That was 779. I'm going to do one more just at that so I can see if these slugs are even touching. Nope. 777. So now we've reached a high. Alright guys, so we're back, we're set up. And now we're going to shoot 150 grain. I'm only going to do this on high power for 3 shots because we already know we don't have a whole lot of balls to push the 105s. So, and then I'll get to why we're doing it. Because I know it's tedious and you probably would have just skipped it forward by now. But maybe somebody wants to buy this gun. Who knows? Like I said, this is a great gun. It's been out forever. I'm going to go for the bottom corner. 675. Duplicate 675. $684, that's a surprise. Well, let's do one more. I thought for sure we'd be down in the 660s. still doesn't like these slugs, so I might have to resize it to something a little bit different it likes. $677. Well, now I'm foobarred. Let's do one more. I thought shooting these heavy slugs we'd be dropping fast. $680. Getting a little confused, but I like it. I'm guessing because it's a heavier slug, it's helping keep that valve open, giving us a better shot string. So we're gonna do one more on high power. $684. I'm really confused, but maybe my coder sucks. FX made it. $677. I know what you're thinking. He's like, thought he said he was going to take one more. I'm waiting until we get out of 670. $682. My target's blown away. Well, my target's gone. But we're still gonna see. I'll shoot a tree. I don't care. 673. I don't know, this thing's blowing my mind right now. I've never shot anything this heavy in it. 661. We finally left that little range. That's 10 shots. So at 3,000 PSI right now, I have 10 shots within 151 foot-pounds and my lowest being 145 foot-pounds. That's nuts. Accuracy wasn't that great with that slug, but that's still nuts, man. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna retrieve our target from wherever it blew, and we're gonna have a little conversation. All right, guys. So that was nuts. 10 shots, all within almost 150 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go down here and retrieve the target. But the whole point of this drawn out, you probably don't like it video, is to bring you what's next. And what we are gonna do is we're gonna send this gun off to Cap Dragon. And they're gonna put in the new valve. And then we're gonna see what it will do with these heavier slugs. I mean, we're gonna try everything all over again. And then we may even go up to like a 200, 250 just to see what it does. And then once I start getting some tags, we're gonna go out and take a deer with it. So that was my main focus to do in this video, is I see so many people out there asking where they could get this gun beefed up in power. And a lot of people don't know about Cap Dragon. I mean, if you search YouTube, there's really not a whole lot of videos out there. So I reached out to him and asked him if I sent him my own personal gun, if he'd be willing to put the valve in, and we'd put some videos up and take a couple deer with it. And so far, he seems to be on board. So I'm hoping you guys really start to enjoy this gun and what it can be, because what it is right now is awesome. I mean, right now it's an awesome pellet gun for what I have. But I'm gonna flip you guys over and I'll show you this target real quick and we'll wrap this up. So there was our Hades from yesterday. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's our FX. That's not so awesome. FX, not so awesome. The 105s we only hit once, so that wasn't awesome. My 150s show promise. If I can just figure out what size that gun likes, I think we'll be all right. So, I mean, we know a little bit, we know more than we did. So now, it's just a matter of figuring out what size slug this gun likes. I think all my slugs were sized to 357. My little ones were sized to 358 because I was using them in something else. But again, I was more concerned with what power we were getting out of this gun right now. And then we're gonna see what type of power we can get out of this gun. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was drawn out, a little bit pointless, but hey, at least we got something up. And keep on shooting, guys. Until next time.